Welcome back, friends. And in your MI phone, if you are experiencing this problem that your mobile is restarting, keep restarting itself over and over. So this video is for you. Please don't ignore this video. In this video, I will explain you how to get rid of this problem. If your MI phone is stuck in constant restarting, every time the MI logo appears on it and it is starting successfully, then you will be definitely in some dilemma. You will want that your phone will return to the normal, but what you cannot imagine is that the screen turns black again and the MI logo appears again. So this is very upsetting. Don't worry, we will give you how to solve this problem in your MI phone. The culprit may be many factors. For example, the battery problem cannot provide enough power to the MI phone, or there is a problem with third party applications, some of which carry viruses, have bugs that affect the MI phone, or you keep restarting after dropping your Huawei phone, that is some hardware damage is there. In that case, you need to take that phone to the after sale services of your MI phone. So in this video I have described many simple quick solutions. Please be certain and try the methods given in the video one by one. If you have any questions, please write us in the comment section and we will reply you within 24 hours. So if you think that video is good, you can subscribe, like, or leave the message to tell us which method helps you to solve the problem. The first of problem, just charge. Just put your phone into the charger like that, and you may experience that problem has been solved. The second thing, just go to the setting and check, go to the about phone, and here you can go and check the storage. Sometimes you have enough data in your storage, and this lack of space in the storage in your mobile just keeps your mobile restarting every time. So just check and free up the storage space if you are in scarcity of the storage. The third is disable the schedule power on. Just go check in your MI mobile if there is any option of schedule power on and off. How to check? Just go setting, here search schedule power off and on, and you will get that. Check it. If it is activated, kindly deactivate it. The fourth way is the force restart your phone. Just this power button and this volume negative key, press it simultaneously, and after 2-3 seconds the MI logo appears. Just leave there, put your fingers apart, and after that you will see that it will boot and the problem will not happen. Restarting problem will not happen. Otherwise, the next method, fifth method, again go to the setting. For setting, you can go here. From here also go to the about phone, and here just check it. If your Android version 14 here and HyperOS system is there, check for updates. If any update is there, please update your mobile. It will take some time, and after that your problem may get solved. Third, just start your MI phone in safe mode. How? First switch it off, keep the power off button long, then power off. Now mobile is off. After that, just press this power on and volume up key for some time, and see, just leave that, and now see what will happen. This screen will come. First is reboot, wipe data, connect with MI and safe mode. If you select it by power button, your problem may get solved. By how I will explain it. When it is going into safe mode, I will reboot. Then what is happening, it third party apps will not affect the phone. If any third party apps is just causing that problem of restarting, then that will not happen. Now what you have to do, just uninstall the recently installed third party app, and after that your problem may get solved. Then after that, if it is not happening, then you have to factory reset your mi phone to get rid of this problem. But before that, you have to take backup of all the data of your phone, and you know how to restore the data. Then only you do this step. Go to the setting, search the reset. Now it will take some time. Here, factory reset. See, all the data will go. So you erase all data, and after that you can if your problem is getting solved, then reload all the data. If after doing all the things your mobile is still have the restarting problem, please go to the official after sales center for help. This is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.